Chakrabarti expected to be questioned tomorrow, not today anymore. I saw 3 vehicles there when you were giving us this live update, Munish. So 3 vehicles would account to how many officials of the CBI in total, and of course plus 3 you're telling us who were the last to see the actor alive.
Yeah, well, Pooja, this team was very small because there was a small doubt which the CBI wanted to clarify. Yesterday there were almost 2 dozen, there were 9 vehicles, 2 dozen forensic experts and almost 5 to 6 CBI officials. Along with that, 3 eyewitnesses in the case. Now today the team was very small, almost 4 to 5 forensic experts. Apart from that, the 2 CBI officials, the SP and the investigative officers, and 2 inspector rank CBI officials were today, recreated the crime scene. Apart from that, one team was already looking for the evidence in the case, and they were accompanied by the 3 witnesses to recreate the scene, and also Mumbai policemen who were the first responded the day Sushant died. They were also present at the spot, because this is not only about recreating scene, this is also about inconsistencies in the event of chain which unfolded that particular day. Siddharth has said something, Neeraj has said something, and the policemen have said something. Everything has to be synced so that the CBI can have a clear picture, and this is why today's recreation was very important.
So here's the point, Munish. If the CBI is saying that there is an inconsistency in these statements, that also means there is something suspicious. If they were together at the same time, at the same place, why would there be difference in their statements? So one of them clearly is not giving a complete picture. So do you think CBI will want to find out that too, and that is why their questioning may continue?
Yeah, this is a very big lead for Central Bureau of Investigation in the entire case, because inconsistency means that one person out of 3 persons is lying, and CBI wants to clarify. This morning they started again grilling Dipesh Sawant and Siddharth Pithani, Neeraj, because Neeraj is a person who has been grilled from day one. CBI thinks that he is a person who is a weak link, and he is a person who is changing his statement. What he told the Mumbai police, the exact statement has not been given to the Central Bureau of Investigation. And what he told about Siddharth Pithani has said little different. So inconsistency is something which the CBI is already suspecting, and now CBI will again confront them. They will make them sit together so that they can understand if any person is lying or it's a small inconsistency where there is nothing suspicious. These things have to be ruled out, and that is why this is going to be very crucial for the CBI and the investigators. And recreation is already complete. Now the only focus will be on these 3 people, their statements, and tomorrow we are expecting that Riya Chakrabarti
Munish, I can see that around you there is also a downpour, rainfall. I hope you